What if starting an online income didn't require a big investment, advanced skills, or years of experience, but simply understanding where the digital economy is heading? The internet is no longer just a place for content creation, freelancing, or entertainment. It has evolved into a hybrid ecosystem where humans and AI work together in deeply integrated systems. The most valuable opportunities today are no longer about replacing humans with machines, but about positioning humans where machines still need guidance, refinement, and real-world understanding. This shift has created a powerful new category of opportunities, known as a human-in-the-loop economy. Instead of competing with AI, people are now getting paid to train it, correct it, evaluate it, and improve it. And the most important part? Many of these opportunities are beginner-friendly, flexible, and can be started immediately without any major upfront investment. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 online income ideas anyone can start today in 2026. Practical, realistic, and designed for the modern digital world where adaptability matters more than experience. Let's dive in. 1. Human-in-the-loop AI training. One of the fastest growing and most accessible online income streams in 2026 is working directly with AI systems as a human trainer. Even though artificial intelligence has become extremely advanced, it still struggles with areas that require human judgment, such as context, nuance, ethics, cultural understanding, and subject-specific accuracy. This is especially true in complex fields where precision matters. That's where humans come in. Companies developing AI systems now rely heavily on human contributors to help train and refine their models. This process is known as human-in-the-loop training. In simple terms, you help AI learn what is correct and what is not. Your tasks may include reviewing AI-generated answers to check if they're accurate, labeling images into categories, correcting mistakes in text outputs, or evaluating whether responses are appropriate and safe. In more specialized roles, individuals with backgrounds in coding, medicine, law, or engineering can earn higher rates by verifying technical outputs. The beauty of this income stream is its simplicity. You don't need to build a brand, start a business, or even create content. You simply follow structured instructions and apply your judgment. Most tasks are available through platforms that connect workers to AI training projects, allowing you to work remotely and flexibly. What makes this opportunity even more powerful is its long-term potential. As AI systems continue to expand across industries, the need for human oversight does not decrease. It actually increases. The more advanced AI becomes, the more critical human verification becomes. In this system, you are not competing with AI. You are strengthening it. 2. AI-moderated usability testing. Another powerful and beginner-friendly online income opportunity in 2026 is participating in AI-driven usability testing. Every digital product, whether it's a mobile app, website, or software platform, needs real human feedback before it reaches the market. Companies need to understand how real users think, feel, and interact with their products. Traditionally, this was done through slow surveys, focus groups, or expensive research studies. But now, AI systems streamline this process by guiding real-time usability tests and collecting structured feedback instantly. Your role is simple: interact with the product naturally and share your experience. You might be asked to navigate a website, use a mobile application, or test a new feature while explaining your thoughts aloud. The AI records your responses, behavior patterns, hesitation points, and emotional reactions. This data is extremely valuable because it directly influences product design decisions. Unlike low-paying survey websites, usability testing is significantly more rewarding because your feedback has real business impact. Companies are willing to pay more for insights that help them improve user experience and increase customer satisfaction. The reason this model is growing rapidly because businesses want fast, authentic feedback instead of slow research reports. They value real human behavior over theoretical analysis. For you, this creates a simple and flexible income stream that requires no technical expertise, just your ability to interact honestly with digital products. 3. Hyperlocal micro-influencing. One of the biggest misconceptions about online income is that you need a massive audience to make money. In reality, 2026 has shifted this completely. Today, micro and nano influencers are often more valuable than large influencers because of one key factor: trust. Brands now understand that people don't always respond to celebrities or large accounts. Instead, they trust relatable individuals who feel real and authentic. This is where hyperlocal micro-influencing becomes powerful. Instead of trying to reach millions of people, you focus on a smaller, more specific audience, often within your own city, community, or niche interest group. You can create simple content reviewing local restaurants, gyms, cafes, clothing stores, or services. You don't need expensive equipment or professional editing. In fact, raw and authentic content often performs better because it feels genuine. For example, even an account with just a few thousand followers can earn money by promoting local businesses or niche products. These businesses prefer micro-influencers because they directly reach potential customers who are nearby and ready to buy. This model works because it combines influence with real-world relevance. Your recommendations carry weight within a targeted audience that actually values your opinion. In many cases, micro-influencers earn more per collaboration than traditional influencers because brands prioritize conversions over visibility. The best part is that you can start with platforms you already use, Instagram, TikTok, or even local WhatsApp communities. For Workflow as a Service, WAS, one of the most scalable online income ideas is shifting from service-based work to system-based income. This is where Workflow as a Service comes in. Instead of repeatedly offering freelance services, you create a system once and sell it multiple times. For example, you might design a Notion dashboard for project management, a Google Sheets automation for small business accounting, or a CRM system for freelancers to track clients. These tools solve recurring problems that people face daily. Once built, these workflows can be packaged as digital products and sold on marketplaces or directly to customers. Some even include resale rights, allowing buyers to distribute them further. The real power of this model is scalability. You invest effort once, but the product continues generating income indefinitely. This transforms your role from a service provider into a system designer. Even simple solutions can become valuable if they solve a specific, painful problem. In fact, niche workflows often perform better than generic ones because they address targeted needs. Businesses prefer ready-made systems over custom-built solutions because they save time, reduce costs, and deliver immediate results. This is your opportunity to step into that demand. 5. Ethical data licensing. The final online income idea is one of the most futuristic and rapidly growing opportunities: ethical data licensing. In the AI-driven economy, data is the foundation of everything. But not just any data. Human-generated, real-world, diverse, and ethical data is the most valuable. Companies are now paying individuals to contribute structured data that helps improve AI systems. This may include images, voice recordings, environmental data, or participation in research tasks. The key difference in 2026 is transparency. You are not giving away your data unknowingly. Instead, you are participating voluntarily and getting compensated fairly. For example, you might upload images of everyday environments to help AI understand real-world settings better. Or you might record voice samples to improve speech recognition accuracy across different accents and languages. Some platforms even allow you to contribute behavioral or interaction data under strict privacy guidelines. Once set up, this becomes a semi-passive income stream. You contribute data occasionally, and it continues being used in training, simulations, or AI development pipelines. What makes this opportunity powerful is that it transforms ordinary human behavior into economic value. Your diversity, language, and experiences become part of a global AI learning system. It represents a shift where humans are no longer just users of technology. They are contributors to it. And there you have it. 5 powerful online income ideas anyone can start today in 2026. From training AI systems and participating in usability testing, to becoming a micro-influencer, building workflow-based digital products, and contributing to ethical data ecosystems. The opportunities today are more accessible than ever before. The biggest shift in the modern online economy is this: you don't need to be the most skilled, the most technical, or the most famous to earn online. You just need to position yourself where human input is still essential. AI is automating many traditional roles, but at the same time, it is creating entirely new opportunities for people who can guide, refine, and enhance digital systems. The key is to start small. Choose one idea that resonates with you, take action, and build consistency over time. Because in today's world, online income is no longer limited by geography, education, or capital. It is shaped by adaptability and timing. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who wants to start earning online, and subscribe for more practical financial strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.